So my name's Ryan, Ryan Clarkson. I'm just going into property development, but my old profession was I was in the military for 22 years. Just finished my full-time career in the Coldstream Guards, and then we're looking to move on into property and to start doing deal selling to start with, while building my own portfolio, and that's what we're looking to do.
This event in particular, what brought you to this event, to Samuel's event in particular?
Say that again.
What has brought you to?
Oh, what's
this
more
event?
brought me?
Yeah. Why are you here? What was it about Samuel that brought you to the
Yeah, it's a good question. So, when watching all of Samuel's YouTube videos, and then after doing the pound crash course, the energy he gives and the professionalism he gives is really what brought me to him. And with, trying hard to say it, and with his deal selling as well, obviously, he knows what he's talking about, which is now going to help me progress into my career to move on. So.
So what have you learned from today's event? What are you taking away with you?
So what I've learned is numbers. It's a numbers game. Learning how to flick through a property, see whether it stacks up, view the property, get plenty of viewings, then do the numbers to stack up. With basically connecting with estate agents is the big one. So the more estate agents you connect with, and then when you start buying from them, then obviously you get more investors, more people that will buy from you, and that's it really.
How has being at an event like this affected your confidence pressing forward into setting up your own business?
It's been good because generally I find it tough to talk to people that I don't know. But with confidence, when I know somebody, I'm quite a confident person anyway. So being in the
In terms of your knowledge around the subject, do you feel like you're able to go out into the world now and get that confidence in running the numbers, talking to estate agents, getting the viewings?
Oh yeah, 100%. Before I came on this course, there's absolutely no way I'd have done that. But it's having Samuel speak to us and showing how easy it is to then literally ring everybody, and then just speak to everybody, get the viewings, stack the deals up, and push them on, which is absolutely built. My confidence will be built after as soon as I get the first deal over the line, and then from there, we just go for it.
Hasn't made the decision yet. What would you say?
100% you need to come. If you're not coming to an event like this and you're not getting mentoring, you're never going to survive in property, in my opinion. I mean, you get people out there who are good at property, but they've also got a property background. People without a property background and want to get into something like this, then you need to have the right level of training, the right level of knowledge, and the right people behind you to build from. Without it, you're going to be lost.